Hello, in this video I'll show you how to enable self-commission for affiliates in Affiliate Press. Enable the Allow Affiliates to earn commissions for their own orders option. Now go to the front end, where an affiliate user is already logged in. Go to the affiliate panel and open the affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link and open it in the same browser session. Open the shop page. Now purchase any product. This is the WooCommerce checkout page. Fill in the required details and click the Place Order button. The order has been successfully placed. Go to the Backend Commissions page. Here you can see the commission related records. You can see the first record has been newly added. Go to the Settings page and disable this option. Click the Save button to save the changes. Go to the front end and purchase one more product. The order has been successfully placed. Now go to the Backend Commissions page. Here, you will not see a new record.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.